What are obvious things you've just become aware of? 1. I was told a couple weeks ago that hay was just dried grass. I thought it was its own thing that grew and I just never saw it. 2. I had no idea that peanuts grow underground until the other day when I saw a video on Reddit. I think I always assumed they grew on like, I dunno, a peanut tree? Peanut bush? I was flabbergasted. 3. I thought when people said you can't stare at the sun it was because it was a really hard thing to do, like a skill rather than the truth, which is it damages your eyes horribly. So I boasted how I could stare for up to 3 minutes before I had to look away. Glad I didn't take you can't breathe underwater literally too. 4. I thought the semicolon tattoo was for people who had Crohn's disease or colon cancer or something and had lost part of their colon. 5. I didn't know babies only drink milk for the first 6 months and that water can be toxic.